Hey guys, so John here. I got a little problem that just started. This is a Samsung family hub, got the computer on it, fridge, and I noticed I ain't getting any ice. So I pulled this out, and I got a couple ice cubes in there, but I got that problem where all that ice is built up on my ice machine. I'm surprised that I got a few ice cubes, but you need to defrost this ice maker to keep it from icing over completely. So, normal Samsung fridges, you got a panel here that you can hit a couple buttons, but that doesn't work with this one. I don't have a panel. So if you hit the fridge manager, which is an app that should be on your display, you get this thing comes up, and if you alternate tap the top corners, so if I go like this, engineering mode pops up. You want to hit fridge function test. If when you hit force run, you don't get this list, you have to reset your fridge. So you open up the door, you got a little panel right here. You open this little panel up, turn off this switch, let it sit for a minute. There it goes. Close the door, let it boot up, and then try again. So when you come into this force run, you'll get these selections here. You want to go to this force defrost. You'll get these warnings. This is going to run. Come back to home. Go to settings. Go to sound. Turn your system sound down while this is going on. You should be able to go back, go to home, go to fridge manager, and then go to fridge settings and turn your ice maker off. Proceed. Now, it should not take very long. Maybe if it's not a huge block of ice, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Don't leave it in this condition. Don't go to bed, because this thing is set, it's defrosting. You don't want all your food destroyed. I'm assuming that defrosts completely. When you're done, you come back into here, come back into the engineering mode, go to fridge function, and then you should turn that off. Cancel, test cancel. I got to turn it back on to make sure that it's running. And then we'll take a look at it after about 30 minutes. Another thing, if you ever get an error on this screen, I can't remember what the error is, but it's something about contact customer support, some kind of communications error. Come back up here, open this up, and turn off this switch. Wait about a minute and then turn it back on. That resets the hub, and that will make sure that you can get things back going again. Sometimes the hub loses communications with the circuit board that's, I don't know if it's up here or down here, it's somewhere in here, and it causes that error to come up. Resetting everything clears it. So you don't have to pay for customer support or somebody come out here to reboot your refrigerator. All right, now that I've got the ice is clear, I got all the block is gone. You want to go back into the Fridge Manager. Fridge Manager. Go into fridge settings, ice maker, and turn your ice maker back on. Then go back to home, back to settings, go to sound, and turn your sound back up. Because you want to make sure all that's back on. Then go back into your engineering mode, function test, and make sure when you go to force run, make sure you cancel the force run test of force defrost. That should clear everything out. Then we're going to run it overnight and see if we got some ice, because now our ice maker's back on and everything's cleared out. All right, here we are the next day, next morning. I got some nice clean ice in there, and it looks like it's running fine. Got any questions? Hit me up and subscribe. Talk to y'all later.